Okay, 340 Mopar Performance fans. Here is a 73 Dart Sport 340 in the famous Petty Blue paint. We're here at Don Garlett's Museum of Drag Racing annual All Mopars with Big Daddy Don for 2023. And this car was just finished for this show by the gentleman who is the owner. He said it's been a 6-year project. Everything came together. It's all 100% stock, except for that factory or the aftermarket air that he put on it. But yes, it certainly appears dead nut stock, and no one's going to argue with the air conditioning here in South Florida. Bucket seat car, 4-speed. And for those of you that know, 1973 was the last year of 340 high performance. 340 was the legendary engine released by Chrysler in 68 and ran through 73. And you're talking about a thumper little small block. And this car is the first year of the rename. This was the former Demon, the Dodge Demon. But 73 was the first year they went to the Dart 340 Sport. And it's funny because in 73, sales doubled when they changed the name from Demon. It was such a controversial name that a lot of church groups didn't like Demon, which, by the way, there's a blue 72 Demon right here. See? That's what really hurt the sales back then. But this 73 Dart Sport, sales effectively doubled. And as you know, this is just the Dodge version of the Plymouth Duster. Dodge was always on a 111-inch wheelbase, and Plymouth was always on 108. And when Dodge came out with the Demon, which was nothing but a Duster, it was the first time that Dodge went to the shorter wheelbase of 108 inches. So there you go, Dodge fans. Last year of 340, first year of the Dart 340 Sport, and in Petty Blue and the way it's been finished, this car is a winner all the way around, folks. Beautiful car, well documented, and Joe Houseman, you have done an excellent job, sir. Very good. Gauze Garage, Mopars with Big Daddy 2023. Thank you.